I'm going to be walking you through the 8 most profitable side hustles for people over 50. One of the easiest entry points, but don't underestimate it. It's an email marketing specialist. So you're going to be managing email campaigns for small businesses. So you'll be writing engaging emails, designing them, and helping boost your clients' sales. You're going to be directly connected to their revenue. So freelancers can earn anywhere from $40 to $85 an hour. So if you land 3 or 4 clients on a retainer at $1,000 a month, well, that's $3,000 to $4,000 a month in predictable income. Now, if you've ever worked in sales or account management or fundraising, you already know how to nurture relationships, don't you? Now, that skill is going to translate perfectly to B2B client nurturing today. Now, the tech side's simple. By watching MailChimp email marketing tutorials and signing up for HubSpot's email marketing certifications, that's going to build your confidence and your credibility really fast. Now, the key to success is securing ongoing retainers. Companies know that email marketing, that return on investment is $36 to $42 for every single dollar they spend. So make sure that you own that value proposition, okay? Start looking on Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. All right, from there, we're going to move into something a bit more challenging, but the income is going to jump too. Working as a market research analyst, you'll be conducting detailed market research, analyzing consumer trends, and creating reports that are going to help the companies, your clients, pivot more effectively. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $40 to $75 an hour, with project fees from $2,000 to $10,000 or more. So if you've been a planner or forecaster or business development professional, you already understand the value of solid research. Now you'll be applying that strategic insight using tools like Excel or SurveyMonkey. Now, to command top project fees, you're going to need to focus on niches like healthcare, manufacturing, or whichever industry aligns with your expertise. FlexJobs, Glassdoor, and Indeed are all solid starting points. And if you want to brush up on market research a little bit, then head over to Coursera or LinkedIn Learning for courses. All right, up next, we step into the high-demand premium work created by the tech boom, and that's AI prompt engineering. Now, you're going to design, test, and optimize prompts for AI models to be used in chatbots and content. Basically, you're going to be teaching AI how to think more clearly. Now, only experienced professionals can do this well. Freelancers can generally make anywhere from $75 to $150 an hour. Don't worry, you don't need to code. Your industry expertise, like 30 years in finance or manufacturing, becomes your real edge. Now, that subject knowledge translates into AI context modeling. Now, learning the basics on platforms like OpenAI or Hugging Face is all you need to get started. The trick is to build a portfolio that shows examples of prompts that you've improved and to demonstrate measurable results. TopTal, Upwork, and Freelancer are all great places to find work too. And you can check out OpenAI API tutorials and AI prompt engineering guides to help you get started. This one's like your old corporate trainer role, now reimagined for the digital world. As a subject matter expert training course instructor, you'll create and deliver online courses sharing your expertise in a specific field. Instructors usually get about 37% of marketplace sales revenue on platforms like Udemy. Now, in your first year, you can earn $200 to $1,000 per month, but the potential grows dramatically as your courses start to gain traction online. Your credibility and your credentials are your competitive edge, so focus on high-demand, evergreen topics. Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are all good places to start. Now, be sure to check out the Udemy instructor resources and Coursera instructor guides to get an idea on how to get started. Many instructors turn this into a full-time income over 2 to 3 years. Now, here's the truth. Your age is an advantage. Companies are desperate for mature professionals. AI is starting to create entirely new roles where your 30 years of business judgment are worth more than a computer science degree. All right, this is where freedom and high income start to intersect. Automation consultants analyze business workflows and they start to implement automation tools like Zapier and Power Automate to reduce repetitive tasks and boost productivity. That's going to save clients a lot of time. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $125 to $300 an hour for this role. Companies are going to pay these rates because a single automation project can save 30 to 40% of manual work time. So they're paying for the return on the investment, not just your hours. Now, if you're that person who's always saying we could be a lot more efficient at doing this, get it done a lot faster, this is the kind of role you need. Systems thinking and business acumen are going to give you the edge. Start with a small prototype project to prove ROI, and then look for work on LinkedIn Jobs, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can take a look at the Zapier Learning Center and Microsoft's Power Automate tutorials to get a better idea of what this type of role is all about. Now, if you really want to turn your career expertise into a passive income, this is the way to do it. You'll develop and market niche online courses. In your first year, monthly income is going to range anywhere from $200 to $1,000, but it's going to start to scale as your audience grows. Now, this is a 12 to 24 month play, not a quick win. Success is really going to depend on effective marketing and building an engaged audience. Platforms like Teachable and Kajabi are ideal for this. And you can test course ideas with webinars or mini courses first. That way you can kind of test the waters. So if this interests you, then take a look at the Teachable Creator Resources and Kajabi's Marketing Academy. All right, now we step into the premium consulting area where you stop trading time for money and you start selling judgment at scale. As an AI prompt consultant, you'll provide expert advice on AI prompt strategies and integrating AI into business processes. And oftentimes that's just going to be through a short consulting call on expert networks. Now, this job can see pay ranges from anywhere from $200 to $400 per hour. Clients value senior level insight, so you'll build credibility with niche expertise and testimonials. Clients are wanting clear, simplified frameworks for AI integration. That's essential. GLG and GuidePoint are both good places to find work. Take a look at the GLG Insights Expert Network and the GuidePoint Expert Network training materials to get an idea what this position is all about. All right, finally, here we are at the ultimate goal, monetizing 30 years of experience at a premium level as a specialized consultant. You'll be providing strategic judgment based on the decades that you've spent in your industry. So this isn't task work, you're the resource. Specialized consultants can see pay ranges from anywhere from $100 to $300+ per hour. And long-term contracts can bring in monthly retainers of $5,000 to $15,000 or more. The fact is, you're selling something that AI can't replace and replicate, wisdom earned through experience. So you'll want to build a consulting website and a strong LinkedIn profile that showcases studies and return on investments. You can apply on Upwork, GLG Insights, and GuidePoint. Take a good look at consulting articles on the Consulting Success blog and the Harvard Business Review for ideas. All right, you've just seen 8 real income streams. Now, here's the truth. The difference between someone who's making, let's say, $500 a month versus $5,000 a month, well, it isn't luck, it's a strategy. The successful professionals are combining 2 or 3 of these opportunities together. So they start with something accessible, something that's fairly easy for them to build the cash flow, then they stack the bigger opportunities. That's the system. So you need the exact links and a step-by-step roadmap and the platforms that are actually hiring. Well, I built that roadmap for you. It's called the $150 an hour Advantage Guide. It's free and it contains every pay range, verified link, and learning resource that I covered when I made this video. Download it, save it, and come back ready to start. Now, if you want a full-time job instead of hustling multiple income streams, watch this video next on in-demand jobs for those over 50, work you'll actually enjoy. I'll see you over there.